I'm just going to run through with you the basic setup of the Tylo H1 control panel. When it's first powered up, you will see this initial screen. The first thing we have to do is select which region we want it, and in this case we're going to select Europe by pressing OK. The next is the language, and in this case we'll select English by pressing OK. Now we can select which type of product we want it to control, either a combi compact, a sauna or a steam bath, and we'll go back and select a sauna by pressing OK. Now it's asking us for the maximum runtime of the sauna, and in this case we'll say 2.5 hours and press OK. Now we have to set the time with the clock. At the moment it's saying 10:53, so we'll adjust this by saying we'll make it 11 and OK, and down to 40 and down again 2. So we've now set it to 11:42. That's the main basic settings over with. We're now into the main control panel settings, which we can come down to temperature, clock, or the settings menu. We'll go into a settings menu by pressing OK, and we'll come down through and select display. OK. In this case we can set the sleep delay of the panel by pressing OK. It's on 15 seconds, so we'll reduce this now right down to say 6 seconds by pressing OK. We can now come back out by pressing the return key, and now in 6 seconds time the panel will go to sleep. Now it's gone to sleep. You can wake the panel up at any time by just putting your hand across the front, and the panel will wake up again. And now you can go back into the main settings again and alter the temperature. Okay. We can come down into the clock menu and set the time for it to start. We can come right back out of these menus and we can return to the home screen again. We come right back to the beginning where it's saying the current temperature and the time we've set in the control panel. And now we'll return back to the main home screen. That was the basic setup functions of the Tylo H1, but if you need to contact us for any more information or help with that setting up the H1 or any other Tylo products, our contact number is on the following screen.